Filtering data. You must have studied about filtration process which is used to separate unwanted material from a mixture. Excel also allows you to filter unwanted data from a set of data. To apply filters, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the range of columns to be filtered. Step 2. Click on the Sort and Filter command from Editing Group under Home tab. A drop-down list appears. Step 3. Click on the Filter option from the drop-down list. You will notice that small arrows appear in front of all the column headers. Step 4. Click on the arrow in front of the header Marks obtained in second term. A drop-down list appears. You will notice that all the entries in the column are present in the list with small checkboxes in the beginning. Click some of the checkboxes to uncheck them. Step 5. Click on the OK button. You will notice that the rows of unchecked data are removed from the list. You need not to worry as the data is not lost. The unchecked rows have just been hidden from the display. To get the data back, open the Filter drop-down list again and check the unchecked entries. Excel also allows you to use Custom Filter. Suppose you want to know the names of the students who have scored more than 80 marks in second term. Follow these steps to get the required information. Step 1. Click on the Marks Obtained in second term header to open the Filter drop-down list.
Step 2. Select the Number Filters option. A sub-menu opens.
Step 3. Select the Greater Than option. The Custom Auto Filter dialog box appears. Step 4. Enter 80 in the Criteria box and click on the OK button. Notice that only the details of the students who have obtained marks greater than 80 are displayed and the remaining rows remain hidden. Removing filters. The filters once applied can be easily removed. Click anywhere in the worksheet and repeat steps to apply filters. You will notice that the filter arrows in front of column headers disappear and the hidden rows also reappear.